Hey, what's going on, guys? Good morning. I am in the airport about to go get on an airplane, but I want to come in and give you guys a quick report, quick overview of what's going on with the stock market right now and what's happening with this whole conflict in the Middle East and how this is going to affect your stocks. Basically, the market has recovered pretty quickly from the conflict in the Middle East. It's not as bad as people think so far, even though it's been terrible on the human front. You know, you got six or 700 casualties on the Israeli side and several hundred casualties on the Palestinian side. These wars have happened many times before. Some seem to believe that the conflict is going to be contained and that this is going to keep the impact somewhat minimal long term. However, initially this morning, the stock market declined significantly as a result of the beginning of the conflict. It was kind of what's been referred to as a knee-jerk reaction, and but a lot of that's kind of come back. So even though the war is a significant risk factor now, it's a new variable. It's something that has to be watched out for. The recovery has been pretty strong. The market's up by about 200 points today. That's because they expect the diplomacy to actually work. Now, that's still a big risk though. I'll tell you personally, I don't know for sure if this is going to be contained as easily as people think. This could easily escalate into a broader conflict. This could easily become a significant problem or prolonged war. In that case, while the market's up, you may want to protect your portfolio, put some stop losses in place, maybe buy some put options, be extremely conservative because some things could actually end up getting kind of messy. The other thing is the stocks that tended to benefit the most from the situation are oil stocks and also defense companies. Defense companies and oil companies all had a little bit of a bump because of that. And so that's kind of where things are. I'll keep doing the research. I have to go get on my airplane, so I don't have a lot of time to talk today. And actually, later on, I'll come back in and I'll give you our stock pick of the week. If you want to get the profit alerts, just text the word stock to 31996. Text stock to 31996. Also, want to remind everybody the All Black National Convention is just 11 days away in Atlanta. You can go to allblacknationalconvention.com if you'd like to join us. That's our event that we have every year. It's the leading gathering of intelligent black people from around the world who have the B1 philosophy. We're building our community. We're getting together in Atlanta. It's going to be a very big deal. Hundreds and hundreds of like minded people all gathered for the name of blackness, for the name of the black community, for the name of building our spaces, building our families. So if that's for you, if you're in that category, then just go to allblacknationalconvention.com. All right, guys, I got to go. I'll check back in a little bit later. Hit that thumbs up button if you can. I'd appreciate that. And I want to say what's up to Atlanta Black Wall Street, Felicia Cooley. I see you in there. And also, don't forget that this podcast is on Spotify and Apple. So if you go to Spotify or Apple and you look up my name, you'll find me there. All right, have a good day, everybody. Let me go grab this plane. See you later. Peace.